How to see who sent a message on NGL app. Hello guys and welcome to this channel. So like I said, in this video I will show you how you can see who sent a message on NGL app without paying, so without clicking to pro members. So let me show you an example right now. First of all, I want to post the link on Instagram, so click on copy link, then click on share, and now you have to go to stickers from the top, go to link and paste the link. So now people can see my link on Instagram. As you can see, this is the story. Now I will go to another account of mine. So right now I am on Ali and John YTT, and I will send a message to that link that you saw earlier, and I will show you how you can see for free who sent you a message. So let me do this very quickly. I'm right now on this account, on Jessica. I will search for Ali and John, and I will go to the story, and I will click to the link, and I will send a message. So let's say, how are you? Now click on send. Now as you can see, I already received a notification from NGL that we have a new question. Let's click on it, and then if I click on the message, it's how are you. So how you can do to see who sent you this message. So right now we will have to answer to this message, to how are you. I will go ahead and switch my account, my Instagram account. So right now I am on Jessica. As you can see, let's switch back to the Ali and John and respond to Jessica. Now I'll reply to the message, type in OK, click done, and now you can share it to your story. So now the person who sent you that message, she will go to your story to see what have you replied. So this is the story with the reply. Now I will go to my other account, so Jessica, and then the person who sent you that message will want to see what was your reply to that question. So this is okay. Now let's switch back to Ali and John. And then if we go now to the reply that we just upload, and then if we scroll up, swipe up, you will see the first viewer is Jessica. So this is how you can see who sent you a message on NGL for free and without paying. So the person who sent you that message will need to know what is the reply, but to find out the reply, it has to see your story. So the person who sent you that message is one of the viewers, and probably first one. I hope you like this trick, and I hope you will use it. So if this video was useful for you, you can like it and subscribe to the channel. And if you have some more questions, then you can comment in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.